There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
So the first few days will be like this in the Telegram. Just forwarding the link because everyone who gets inside doesn't see what is happening above. So yeah, we have 6 people. So Belrim, the guy from Kosovo. Yeah. Damn, I fell for that girl, you know, that not that girl, her music is great. Me and my friend talked about it yesterday. So what is she? So this Kida. We talked about Kida. Do you hear me all right, guys? Do you hear me all right? Where is Yak today to tell me if my sound system is okay? Let's see. Seems right. Seems like we have time. So AUDGPY didn't move much during the London. Check out Melinda play. Dude, look, I would, but then AP cannot use this video to promote on their YouTube site. So that's why today we are here on the no copyright. You're gonna get some soft music, or maybe I will even turn it off for you for the stream. But yeah. So sorry, not today. Oh yeah. Yeah, yesterday Bill is like, oh, Kevin, by the way, we cannot use your recording because YouTube doesn't allow that you play music. And I'm like, huh? Okay. Sounds fun. Beautiful. This will be probably our trade. 4 hours here. Okay. Okay, only 6 people today. Not bad. Not bad. Probably more will follow later or never. Doesn't matter. So here I have GBCat. I'm just back forward testing some strategy now. Maybe if this will work out, I will do it more often. But the problem with these entries are they're late or in London. So, but yeah, I'm expecting it to fill this. So maybe I can find entry for us. So let's see. Okay, so analyze that. We have GBGPY, which gave us nice, like we talked about it yesterday on the gold, I think, head and shoulders. So now it went back testing this, which I like because he went over this strong daily support. And now he's trying to pull it down and probably will continue up. But for us, we are going with momentum. So meaning we go down. I mean, for me, only way is down today. So until here we have strong resistance and bad price action. Until here, we are selling. Also, what I'm talking about every single day, if the candle doesn't have wick, we don't trust it. Every candle needs a wick, especially 4 hours. So I think we will see here quick and probably get us like maybe even 10 20 pips. We'll see. How much is this? Yeah, maybe 20 pips, maybe 15 probably. That's okay. Still money. Okay. So back on the daily. Also, new downtrend, so we need to correct all those moves. Here we had also closure above this zone, but we will see if it holds. We may continue to go up or we can continue down, but still the same for today. We're still looking for sell for now. But honestly, it's trapped. You see, it's trapped inside the 4 hour and daily. So meaning we can go either buy or sell. So we need to be open-minded here. And we also are trapped in this not good area. So I want to get breakout here or breakout here so we can have a nice trade. We'll see. 15 minutes closes now. Nothing for us, not yet. Let's look at gold. I think today overall gold should be bearish. But here we have such a strong resistance. So I don't know. We'll see. 4 hour is bullish right now, but overall trend from 4 hour is bearish. 1 hour, yeah, still bearish. Okay. So yesterday I did some paper trading also gold, but we saw we didn't have any trades. We were trapped here all day. Then later on, it closed below here, like we talked about it, and it dropped. But today, I think it's the same story. So based on our strategy, we are looking only for buys. Yeah, meaning today we need close above here, but we don't have a nice range. So in here, I would say no trades. But from here to here, maybe there's a good opportunity for us. But we can also drop down below. And if we drop below this, now this is a nice clean range. This is probably what could be traded. This is probably the best we can get. But yeah, we need to close below. Not only in 15, also in 30 minutes. You see? Yeah. Okay, so analyze is done. We know what we're watching. Let's see the news. We have a lot of news. 14:30, okay, 2 hours. Cat, that's okay, that's good for us. Anything different here? No. Okay. So why I'm reading the news all the time? I'm reading news all the time because I'm looking for some hint on what market can do, so I can get a picture for the next day. So why the fundamental, why the dollar is strong, why the yen is weak, stuff like that. Oh, back to Dua Lipa. Damn, boy. You cannot play Dua Lipa. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. Nice. So Nico said he already did one MFF, my Forex funds for 200K. But now the next one, he had the bad start. That's okay. Just need to look for the next trade, that's all. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. So the bill cannot say now, yeah. You cannot use your audio. So yeah. Let's see if I have something here for you. Maybe this can help you. Okay. So let's go over if someone is new. So Berlin, Hilar, Nico, Simon, Velo, welcome to the chat. So yeah, in Ave, welcome everyone. Welcome to Elevated Trade Room, where we patiently wait for a trade. So that's it. That's it. We are patient. We are waiting. This is how it should be. That's why I believe. So I did some backtesting yesterday also for a whole month. I am changing lot size because I saw that maybe I'm playing it too risky. We'll see soon. Playing it too safe. So from now on I will be using 0.01 per 100, and we'll let you know how it goes. Just for that trade. So I have my book. I mean, the one I'm writing it out in journal. That's the one I'm concerned about. So here I will be changing lot size to one lot, and that's it. One day I'm asking, now looking. Nice. Yeah, this is how we start. This is how we start, you know. The best thing you can do is look and observe, and then if you can, just watch the recording and ask yourself, what did I do? What did I talked about it? And for me, so when I was looking for someone to teach me to trade or guide me how to be better, was important that he is following his own rules. So if I say I'm not using more than 8 pips stop loss, I'm not using it. If I do that, so if I'm changing my rules inconsistently, that means something is wrong. But yeah, sometimes they are trades that you know is gonna happen, but you didn't backtest them. So we do that, but for me, I love my strategy. So I know that at the end of the month I will still be up like 20-30%. So I don't care. Even if I have 0 trades for 2 weeks, I can still be up for 30%. So don't worry about it. I mean, I'm not. You can do you. So yeah, slow market for today. What could be looking? So building permits, MOM, yeah. Consumer price index and Fed. Again, we have Fed today. Damn, boy, what are you gonna do with that dollar? And here is no Fed. And that's why we have two. So for anyone who is doesn't know how to use risk, so if you had $1,000 account and you want to trade with them on with this strategy, I recommend 0.05 per thousand for low risk. Let's say 0.10 for medium risk and 0.15 0.20 high risk. For anyone watching this, you don't need to calculate stop losses, you just use this because the math is already done. So maximum risk we have, max risk is 8 pips. Take profit 1, TP1 is 10 pips, TP2 is 15 pips, and TP, yeah, it's 20 pips. On the long run, we are still 50% in 20 pips, but the rest is between this and this. So, yeah. So yeah. So like I said, I started my challenge this morning. So I can show you. Funded. Can show you my results. I believe you can do this the same. Okay, so some spreadsheet. Don't worry about me. Don't be like that. My English not so good. Look, I'm Slovenian. My English, I'm ill, and my English is like crap too. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's crap. So yeah, this was my trade today. 0.36% win. So far 100%. Now I'll be losing one lot. I will see how it goes. I know I can lose 5% first day and altogether 10%. But yeah, this one is my first, so I bought it yesterday. So well, don't worry about the English. No one here is to judge. No one here is to judge. And also, languages come from, I think the languages come from experience. So don't worry about it. So if you have a note, write this down. You can use it in the long run. Yeah. But fellow, do you understand me, or just your written English is bad? So we can take a look at the Panther. Oh, we had the candle closed. So mostly you understand. Okay, Reed. So let's get you ready, right? Let's get you ready because I think something will happen soon. So I will say, so I will explain now what I'm waiting for, what I want to see. And if it happens, I will say place pending order. Does everybody here know what pending order is, or someone doesn't know? I can show you that. That's why I'm asking. So just tell me. So if no one is written, I don't know, I guess everyone understands what pending order is. Okay. So let's go back to this. Okay. So what I want to see break below this. I want a nice strong close. Then I want next candle to open, go back, give me nice big wick, like 4-5 pips. We place pending order here. So this is pending order, pending entry. Can I text? Yes. Pending order. There we go. Putting everything ready. Yes. Okay. We put pending order here, and then this candle does this. So when it does this, we put stop loss on this wick. The first stop loss is 8 pips, so maybe something like that. Then we can see that it starts breaking the lows. We put stop loss here, so we manage our risk, and then we put take profit to the next zone. So this is right here. Okay, and then I have special, maybe special, I don't know. So I have here we have such a nice. So sometimes I put lines here, and what this means. So a point of interest. So what that means is I want to be careful here. So usually then what I do, I take stop loss, that we put here. And when we have like 10 pips, when we are like 13 pips in profit, I put it on 10 pips. And then I see if the range is like, yeah, okay, we can get 20 pips. I let it for 20 pips to hit take profit or 10 pips. Or when it's 17 pips, I usually move it to 15 pips. But before I usually move it to 15 pips and usually hits take profit. Or if it's 15 pips, then I just leave it or move it to 13. I don't know. Something depends on how much the volatile market is or how much I don't like this. So the more of these lines I have in between, the more insecure I am. So the faster I will be moving my stop loss. So now you know. Now you know. Okay. So Velo, because you said your English is bad, which I don't agree with, but it's your opinion, so it's okay. Do you understand me? Do you know what I meant? Do you know how to use that? When it happens, how it happens? Okay, so yeah, good, nice. So also the same stuff, you need to be careful because for sells we need bigger wicks. For buys we need smaller wicks. It's different. And also for AUDJPY, for selling, he doesn't like to fall fast. How to make TP123? You don't make TP123. So you don't make TP123. We are like, from what we see on the range, we're like, okay, this range is like a lot of these lines. Let's be careful around 10 pips. Maybe we'll just take 10 pips and go out. So this will be our take profit free. Maybe the range is only 15 pips, so we'll take 15 pips, stuff like that. So you don't take profit and take profit 2. You always take profit at the end of the range. But I will call it. So if I'm talking to you that you need to do something, just do it, and I think you won't have a problem. So here, this is our plan for gold. Like I said, I don't personally trade gold anymore because it's too volatile for me right now. And this price is just I don't like it, so it's just too nasty for me. I like it in the war, but right now, not really. Oh yeah. Now you know. Now we know what we're doing, what we're waiting for. Wow, yesterday we had like 25 people, now we have 7. Okay. Guess they were too boring. So pre-market is here. If someone doesn't know what pre-market is, how it works, it's always like this. So at 7, 8, we have pre-market. 9, we have London Open. So right now we are at pre-London, pre-New York Open, and this will be New York Open, and we are trading until this or somewhere in between. Here we quit because. So the idea is, Ustav uzbiljni. Daniel said that only serious will stay. Tako je, Daniel. So we trade this, yeah, a little bit of this, because sometimes we get a nice fast trade here, but mostly we trade pre-New York, New York, and so if we, that's why we waited yesterday so long, because we have almost 0 entries here. You usually get 1 here, but it happens, so it is what it is. So gold doing nicely, like we told him he must do. It is big. It is a big. So anyone trading gold, this will probably get filled because daily is so far away. Is it? No, it's not. It's very missed. Okay. So yeah, what does the daily look like? Like a doji. That's not good. That means that something will pop. As you can see, gold is not usually a doji, not this small, you see. It has big moves. So, but this could be up to because of the recession, because the war is ending. I mean, not ending, just the fear of the war is ending. So that's almost the same. Because all the countries are joining NATO. This is the big part, but we will see. And did not know. Someone knows if Finland joined the NATO yet, or it didn't happen yet? Let's see. Annual inflation, 7.4. Yeah, you know, when you read these numbers, right? 8.1%. So for the people in the Eurozone, this means that your money lost 8.1%. Only your money. This is not contributed in or calculated in the price of the goods you're buying. So this plus inflation of the goods. So that means that inflation is always bigger than they present it. So if it's like 8%, so we're getting close to 30% inflation this year. Let's see, inflation. Yeah. See, 75%. 75%. Average is 2%. Yeah, that's right. But you know. So back here, with €1 in my country, you used to buy 2 breads, like 2 pieces of bread. But now you cannot. Now you can only buy half. So yeah, 75% inflation. And this euro should be like the most stable because of the economy. Okay, so Corona messed us up good, right? Corona messed us up good. I mean, inflation was coming, but it was just like 10%. So we had inflation in 2019, end of 2020, which we are not there yet. So the average annual inflation had 4%. Yeah, but it's bigger. 11%. So we have 11% inflation when COVID started. So this is like the half. See this? This is like. That's why you need to trade. That's why you need to protect your money. Because so meaning that if you make only 10% per month per year, you're ahead of inflation. But you're not gaining money. You're only protecting it, only saving it. Yeah. See if this one is any better. Could the price change? Yeah, it's different, isn't it? There was 1%. Yeah, it was different. 153. Right. How much this set? 175. So 75%. This one is like, yeah, it's only 50. 53. Yeah. Great. Crazy. 1 million in the year that I was born is now 1.5 million. Damn. So how much I lost in a year? Let's see. Yeah. From Corona, so 2020. I lost 23K. Fuck. Do inflation alone. Shit. And now the more I have, the more I lose. Also more I profit, but that's another story. So still no trades. We're looking here for the cross. This and cross below this. Cross below this. My last son was born in 1990. Yeah. I think my girlfriend is also from 99. Yeah. Yeah, she is. Let's see if this channel has anything better.
No matter what you create.
Put the mixtapes. Okay. Head close below. Nice wick back. Yeah, this would be our entry. We are not trading this, so don't worry about it. Not trading this. Let's say someday like 10 pips. Or he can go up to this, something like that. Yeah, good. And I would go. Yeah, this could be nice. Okay, so no trade. Okay. Paper only. Velo said he's an old man. Mate, you're not old. I'm teaching one. So my father is like near 60. Yeah. 54. And he said one day, show me what Forex is. And now he's like playing on demo. So it's not that hard. I mean, the age doesn't matter anyway, but you know what I mean. So we had a nice week back, but this is gold, so I should have more. So why I don't like gold? I don't like gold because this one can be perfect setup like this, and then it will just activate my order and drive up. So this is the first problem I have with this kind of stuff. But the second is, it usually happens like every week it's a target for gold. So on this week it can turn, this week it can turn, this one can turn. So maybe you can bank here 10 pips, but on the long run your risk reward is backward. Also, you can never put break even because the price is doing like this with like 3 pips spread. So we're fucked. Może. So here can change it also, see, Austria, does it have a difference? Yeah, Austria has bigger one, look. Interesting. Maybe that's average one. Slovenia. Let's see. The hell? Yeah. There you go. There you go, Daniel. Daniel, you're Croatian, yeah? Let's see how much you have it. Croatia. What? No, Croatia. Hrvatska. So, nas nema, ima Slovenija, vas nema, previše. 1400%. Damn, Slovenia. That's why I was. That's why I was like, you know, because I will look Iceland also. Estonia, Estland. What? Iceland or Estonia now? So because I know that I was calculating the inflation for this year and it's like 18%. And now I'm relieved, because I was right. So Corona gave us 8%. Yeah, but not really. It was because we printed a lot of money. So like the euro itself lost like 13%. Estonia. So 1991. What? This is it? Estonia doesn't. Ah, yeah. Okay. Of course. 140%. So what is this? This is like 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Damn boy. It's like 30 years. Calculation right, or I'm just losing my mind. So yeah, 2000, yeah, 20 years. In 20 years, 139, 90. Not bad. Not bad. Monthly. How is now lower? How is now lower? It goes down, inflation goes down. Nah. Nah, dude. But if I put back to yearly, ah, 1991, yeah? Yeah. Oh, why? 90. This is Yuga, what the hell? So we have 1,020,000. Daniel said, so you have so you have 1,020 years later half of that. Yeah, and then you go and tell your grandson, I I dig a hole under that tree and hide 1 million euros. And then he will he will pay more for the fee, to change them. Damn, yeah, this is Yuga, yeah. The hell. This is the year that my country got free of Yuga, something like that. I wasn't there, I don't know. Damn, huh? We lost a lot. Lost a lot. 124. And then 2003 came, yeah? 2003 should be a big change. 2008, and 2008 was also the same. I just want to see this. Yeah, 19%. So this was the recession for the euro. That's why I'm looking at that. At least in my country. Okay, so still nothing. Still waiting. I hope we don't get the same as yesterday, but if we do, that's okay. Happens. So you see, now this is like why I don't like gold. See, we had like nice push up. We have nice push up, right? We have nice push up. Okay. And then activates your pending order, and then you go straight to the stop loss. So that's why I don't like gold. That's why I don't like gold, especially not selling. Buying maybe, but selling, nah. No. Estonia, Euro 2011. Yeah, okay. Estonia 2011. %. No. So when you came to Euro, look at this. When you came to Euro, you had 100 euros, but now you only have. Now you have the half. So you had 100 euros, but you lost 40 euros, 41 euros in what's that? 11, 12 years. 11 years. In 11 years, you lost. Velo, where did you lose 41 euros? How did this happen to you? That's all PayPal Velo some money. He needs it now more than ever. Joke. No offense, Velo, no offense. It's such a joke. And paycheck the same. Yeah, exactly. So if we go like back to Eurozone, right? Back to Eurozone. That means that everyone from 2011 to 21 lost 20% of their paycheck. Oh. So even if they, I mean, like let's say from 2000, yeah, okay. From that I know some history. So people were losing 50% of the paycheck. Okay, let's see something now. Let's say inflation. So let's go. Yeah, 30% less bank power. Yeah, that's right. Wages, average wage. Maybe we can get something. No. Inflation calculated. Here start when I started working. Let's say this starting wage was like what in Slovenia? I think it was like 33.86, something like that, but not dollars, euros, but yeah. And current wage is like 713. I don't know what's the minimum wage, sorry. So increase, yeah, my ass. But this is for dollar, so doesn't really get us. Okay, what about Australia? So Australia lost 75%. Damn, euro is not that bad actually. What about UK? No, England. Iceland, Finland, no, but no England, Ireland. I was in Ireland once. Very good, nice pubs, good pins. Yeah, it's on the euro. Well. Britain, yeah, nice. Yeah, thank you. I wrote UK before, but it didn't. 60%, yeah. But the pound is strange, you know. Pound has history, mate. Pound has history. You see that? 1959, 1965. 4% on average. 2000%. So pound lost in what's this? I need to use calculator now. This is like -1956. Pound lost in like 66 years. 66 years, pound lost 2000%. But my country, Slovenia, lost 1,400. Yeah, 1,400 in, what was that? It was like 30 years. Yeah, nice. Good job, Slovenia. Making us all proud. We are richer, yeah, Croatian. I cannot even look at you, look. No Croatia. No Croatia. The Croatia doesn't share its money. Too big, yeah. Too big. Yeah. Calculation fails. 55, Greece is okay. Czech Republic. Let's see, Venezuela, yeah? Or Turkey. Turkey has a big problem, I think. I know. Yeah, here you go. Turkey. What pound did in 66 years, Turkish lira did in 22. Fire. We're getting candle close. This is gold. You see that, and now it's a win. And now it's a win. So that's what I was talking about. So see that's why I don't like gold. And now we have a win. Now we have like 70, 80%. So yeah. That's why if you want to trade gold, probably would be like this. You should put stop loss here and then take this whole trade so you get even. But I don't like this. I don't like small risk reward. At least 1-to-1 must be for me. So yeah, now in the first hour we learned how much money we lost. What about Venezuela? Venezuela. Russia didn't lose anything. You see, Russia only won 600%. Yeah, let's learn how to make. Agree. Now you got motivation. Why you need to learn how to trade? Yeah, the US has the smallest. I mean, still big, but still the smallest, huh? What about yen? Yen. Japan. 4%. Like yen is really a heaven, huh? Damn, look at the yen. Damn, bro. Okay, so last 3 years for the USA. Last 3 years for the USA. 2019. 14%. 14%. Velo raised hand. Sure, Velo. Yeah, I mean, if you raise, I mean, this is like, yeah, only 13%. No, all good, Velo, all good. Just if you need something. So what are we waiting for today? I have no idea. It should move. Probably this. But this will be one long hour. And also here we have 1, 2, and even if it would go like against the daily, we don't have a nice range, but we can go only against the daily when we're selling, never buying, because the sells are easier for GBP. Any special pairs, any special requests? Which pair to look? Which pair to analyze? Someone trapped somewhere, like Yak was in GB AOD. Still is, maybe, I don't know. Audi NZD, yes. NZD. Let's go. So it's pretty much bullish. If you're in buys, you're good, but you probably aren't, huh? We're selling it, huh? See this gap? This what market is feeling now. So for short run, you're selling it for short or for long? Long position. I mean long move, yeah. Okay, this is pretty choppy. I don't like. I would never trade this. I'm so choppy. I need to know this pair gearbox entry, huh? Yeah, I mean, probably you will see some correction down there. If it goes below here, you can see correction to here, no problem. But you need to go below here now. You need to get out of this box, you know. It is a box. You have a problem. Wait. So this box is your problem. 104, 106, 106. You're kidding, right? 1064. 1064. You see, yeah, bro, I will not say it's impossible. It probably will happen, but I don't think you will see this here. My personal opinion. Till the end of the year. So how much does it move? So it must come 106, man. 106. Sorry. 1064. 1064. Oh my god. See, that's why, no offense, that's why I love Panther. So how long did you need? It needed, oh, okay, so not that much. 48, 2 months. Yeah. So you know what your problem is? The problem is you're in strong bullish momentum, and you have nice and healthy correction, meaning he didn't left any reason to get down soon. Like if you have like big move up like this, then he needs to fill it, right? He needs to fill it. But here you have like nice corrections. So if this hits and this closes above here, man, I don't know. But be careful. But yeah, everything's possible. But I hope this is the, yeah, see, look the weekly. This is like the powertrain. You see here, you didn't have almost any correction there. And then that's why you need to feel this. But here you had correction, so this is correction, this is correction, this is not, this is correction, so oh, I hope. So what I would be waiting for, it's like daily or weekly, that you get something like this. So let's say this is it, so you get one more of this here. If you get one more of this here, this, one more of this, and one more of this, then yeah, then I think you're safe. But if you get two green like this one and then break this high, then mate, I will tell you one thing, come to Panther. Do you want to see Panther results today? I didn't check them already. Today I didn't check them, so is that okay with you? Good, good. So I have two accounts connected. Yeah, this is the one with the longest history. So currently it has 0.4% drawdown. Then account history. Let's go last month. 3.5% plus. This is May, yeah. Yeah. This is only, no, this one, no. Sell stops, yeah, but yeah, this is only May. In May, it made 3.5% with 0.5% risk. So 3.5% with 0.5% of it. Workplace, good. And the next one is this one. which is on 1% risk. And let's go for the May. Day is a little bit choppy, but that's okay, happens. 129 on 3K. Wait, I have calculator here, just a second. So it's like this, 4%. 4%, I think it's 4%. Something like this. So yeah. But what I like is because every trade has its stop loss, and if it doesn't like hit it or trade doesn't go your way, it will not hold it forever, because in Forex there is correction. But I was just talking with one guy yesterday and he was like, yeah, but everything needs to come back down. Yeah, no, it doesn't. It doesn't. So that means that is like you would say, yeah, but the oil will come back. I mean, so let me over exaggerate. So I will explain. Let's say crude oil, yeah, crude oil. This is oil. Crude oil is what the oil. This is what we have, yeah, what we use, what we can trade. So let's say now, let's say you bought. Okay, this is like weird. This is weird. This is the COVID, by the way. So if someone remembers, and then in that case, I would be wrong. So like, will someone tell me that the price of the gas will go back here? So that's why I'm selling. That's why I'm selling here, or that's why I was selling from here, because the price will why we didn't? I actually did. When the market gave me a chance, I did. I can explain you how I did it, so it's no problem. That's why I'm using the same stops here, this strategy, because so I was waiting for this to they closed the market, of course, because everyone was shorting so fast. So I was waiting for this, and when I saw that we have right green, here was my entry. Here was my entry, and I hold it for almost, I'm looking at the date, I think around the middle of the May. Yeah, so this, so around here, so 150% move. But yeah, this was like, I think 10 lots. And on the oil, it's bigger lot size, the bigger pips count. So yeah. But the point is, these are contracts, yeah. So this is not actual oil, this is contracts on the oil. So on the gas stations, nothing changed. Yeah. Too loud for me. Still nothing. Okay. Yeah. "47 minutes, if nothing else, this will be our goal." World richest family lost 27 billions. I mean, that must hurt like kicking the eggs. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we are closing soon. So if you would take this trade, like on the way we said, let's say use this stop loss and this, I think you're 1-to-1 now, almost, not yet. But yeah, this would be a better entry than this, but still 20 pips for 15. Like I said, I don't like gold. I prefer this one. These two gives enough money. Walmart family lost everything. Interesting. Oh, poo poo. Kesara Nasara. Yeah. This is the, if someone doesn't know, this is the wealth reset. The not the wealth, the depth reset. The meaning. So light and love, yes. Yeah, but the word reset is not what we think. The word reset will mean that we don't own anything, we only rent things. So no ownership. This is the word reset. Okay, we got some opens. Okay, like that. So in 15 minutes candle, the New York market opens. So I don't know. Let's say in 20 minutes, 12 minutes we'll have a trade. So in next 10 minutes, you can do whatever you wish. I'll go to the, got some open window and to cough a little more, so I don't cough here so much. So yeah, 5-minute break and then I'm back. Also, guys, just wanted to ask before I go, do you see this chat? Do you see this chat on the screen right now, or I'm the only one seeing this? Screen 2, yeah, it should be. Should be. Hey, Velo. So Velo wrote me. Kevin information. My second time means 2040 demo 4 to 5 months. No results, and today 2 live accounts, very little minus. I'm going to 10% traders. Nice. Yeah, that's great, mate. That's good. Just keep it going. You know, don't in Forex everyone wants to do big giant steps. But the truth is, the smaller steps you make, the faster you go, the bigger your account will be. So just go, take small steps every day, and you will make one big leap. And take private hit. There you go. There you go. No problem, mate. Just keep asking what you need. And I'll do what you need to do so you can learn and master this. Don't worry what anybody else thinks or my stuff, because if I'm not gonna tell you, I'm not gonna tell you. So if you're not gonna ask, I cannot even not tell you. So the volume is, by the gold, I see that volume is rising. So I think that soon we will have some movements. That's why I was talking yesterday that by the volume of the gold, you see if the movements are coming or not. So Daniel asked, didn't saw what pairs do you prefer in Forex? I prefer AUD-JPY and GBP-JPY. This is my main money cows. So I just look for this one. I don't like it because it has many fake outs and the stops are too big for me. Like this 16 pips, this is like, what the hell? This is like 2 of my stop losses. So no thank you on the gold. I still think there's a way to trade gold, but I need to look deeper. Where are you going? I think this 4 hour will turn bearish. We will see in 1 hour, but it has no wick. So, and this is like so much range, so much nice range for 4 hour to fill like this. So this is the range. This is the move, you know, that was what we were talking about yesterday. This is the move that I wanted for Phil. So I'm just waiting for liquidity to kick in, so the market starts moving. Also, Daniel, I'm having my own, as you can see here, trading journal. So far I am in 1% plus. this week. And so this is my goal for this week, I think. But yeah, this is like only for something to move you, you know. I just trade what I see. So if there is a trade, then I trade. It's not. Damn, nice moves. Yeah, liquidity. I like it. If on this one get nice closure below, a nice week up, we have here beautiful trade. This is like 10 all even, 20 pips trade. There we go. If it goes up, it doesn't mean it's bad. Don't worry about it. It means that maybe some people here has a lot of liquidity, so pending buys or stop losses because they were early this sell, and now we can have a move like this and back down. So yeah. There you go. So if we went against the rules, against the daily, we would be probably waiting to break this. But so that's why I think that it will go like this. Then here we'll have doji. And then we have nice, or not. No, maybe we can have this. Maybe you can have close above, close the doji. You know what doji is, right? And then you have nice big back close below. Having this one closes below. This one closes below. We would wait here for this and go down, but the problem here is we don't have 4 hours with us, so not probably won't happen. So there we go. New York Open. Let's go. See, New York Open. Volume kicking in, even for gold. Paper only, meaning that we only do this on trading view, not trading this. So trading only 2 pairs. We will do some gold trades when it gets better, but for now we will stay here where we are home. Yesterday, someone on the Telegram texted me, not Telegram, the Instagram. She's mining Bitcoin and said, "What if it's dropped on 10K?" It's like, this will never happen. Okay, we will see. I mean, it could, it shouldn't, but it could. Okay, for some results. Ben Trick has closed 20%. Congrats, Ben. Panther 3.0, let's see. 3.0, 12%. This is like from yesterday, yeah. Nice. So the May is better. This is also 0.5% risk. So this robot is coming on. This robot is coming on at the end of May. So this version, and then we start testing 4.0. We start forward testing 4th version. So in comparison, Panther from. Hey Nico, we wait for Nico. Ask what setup we wait. We wait for sell when it closes below here, or maybe buy AUD GPY above here. So waiting for sells. 14:30. So like this news will probably move the market, and also we have G7, which is like nothing, just photo shoot. So right now I'm just checking. So this is Panther 3.0, and this is Panther from the start. Same risk, but here you have 3%, and here you have 5.3%. So April was better, but here is May. And drawdown is like a day and night. Also, this one, 3.0, doesn't have any bigger drawdown than Panther 2.0. I think it's lower. I think it's 8%. I will also provide all the backtest, all the documents that we did, that like we did on Panther 2.0. I will show you why it's different, write you down which pairs are there, how many pips are stop loss, so on. But yeah. So current month. Current month. May 2.1%. In percentage. 2.3%. Okay. Yeah, on the okay. And 4.6. Yeah. Cumulative. Cumulated. I don't know. %1 risk. Yeah. Thanks, Daniel. See you later. And Dominic is up 14%. See, in the 500 euros, it goes fast. I need to ask him if he's running everything. Bye. Okay. Great. Pull back. I hope we get nice setup. I want to have 2 trades today, 2 wins, so then I can laugh all day. I will laugh all day anyway, but it's better if I have some money to spend. Okay, so movements not enough yet, but it's a start. Another 15 will close in 2 minutes. So today we don't have so much news, but we still have Fed at the end of the day, meaning that if we don't have a trade in another, let's say, hour, we probably won't. So no such long wait like yesterday. But yesterday we had a lot of news, so I was expecting some movements after the news, but they never came, sadly. So, yeah. Also, I have a doctor appointment. I mean, I hope. My throat is getting nowhere, so yeah. Until 8, okay. Okay. Just a minute, guys. We're back. Just making some phone calls. 50 minutes isn't close in our favor, so let's just wait. Let's just wait. Anybody for gold? This is sensitive area, so take care. Take care. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys, still waiting. We'll see what this news brings us. So GBJPY make break low, but above. But this is not good with us because we have 4 hour here. That means we will go against daily. So that's not our goal. That's not how we do things. So yeah, that's why we're waiting to break below. Luka, lep pozdrav. Kako si? Že kaj po tradu danes? London si imel 2 lepa GB Japonca, jaz sem samo enega lovil. Pa sem pa nehal. Yes, Niko, in Luka je eden od mojih učencev, ja. Drugače pa tudi privat učim. Može. Koliko? Meni. So Luka sent me some. So we don't have any new good close, and now the news will come in. So let's hope the market moves in our way or anything tradable. But yeah, Luka sent me this. So Luka, if I see correctly, these two were your entries, yeah? That's right? Yes, okay. Okay, so this is GBAUD, yeah. GBPAUD. Okay. Tole? Okay. Se pravi, si rekel tole. Tale prvi ne, bi se različiti je na meta 4 close čez. Ti moraš zmeraj close. So this one wouldn't be the right because it didn't close above. But yeah, but we had zone here, so we had 30-minute zone. Okay, the second one, I think that's okay. This one, yeah, this one is perfect. So then this one becomes here. We have close above, wick back, boom. Yeah, but this was like in 5 in the morning, what, before the work? Look up. Before the work. Daily we're in consolidation, 4-hour consolidation. Open this. Okay, let's see. I need to wait for the volume, you know. Right time gives the right volume. But if I would trade this one, I would wait for break below, break, wick back, order, boom. So yeah, and take profit. Just take care of this one. Here you have 5-minute support. But yeah. Okay, we got something. Yeah. Takiego myślę. Tu na 30 minutni, na moć falit. Ona mora close od saj en pip česna. Pipo pol. Daily svečka je potlegor. Dad, come on, give me something good. It's on and on and on. On and on and on. Yeah, this morning I had this sell. So here is the zone. This one closed below, wick back, and it gave me like 10 pips. And then I went, but this one was the next. But 10:30 is like, it can be very tricky because sometimes it doesn't follow its own rules. So sometimes you don't have the volume, but this would be nice, 20 pips. So we cannot take every trade just because it looks nice. Sometimes you need to wait for, most of the times you need to wait for the volume, like we did today. So with both those, monthly you have around I think 60 trades. Monthly you have like 60 trades in London plus New York. So it's enough. Come on, dude, move. Let's go. Let's go. Give me money. I want money. Yeah. Yeah, Luca, probably. Okay, we are getting something. So we have closure in 1 minute and a half. AUD looking nice. GPY, I would not recommend this one because we don't have enough room to go. So probably the next candle. So AUD GPY, this one will be our trade. So get ready in 1 minute if this doesn't fall too low. So remember, we need to close below here. Close needs to be here. We need wick back 4 to 6 pips. Ideally, it has 6 pip wick back. We press sell and we press sell pending. That's it. So just heads up so you know what's coming. So 15 seconds. 10 seconds. So guys, get ready. I think this will be a great entry. So closure and then wick back. Okay. Closure, we have a closure. Okay, I'm placing pending. Pending placed. So pending is placed here. It didn't enter for me yet. So nice wick, nice. It's like 3 pips, 4 pips, great. That's great. Just keep this pending here. Let's do this. I think AJ. Not 8 pips. Yeah, great. Okay, so take profit is 20 pips. Pips time is 14.45. Clean range, nope. Close, yes. Feedback, yes, yes, yes. Risk 1%. So looking for this. Now we want to see it clears. So it pushes down to this. So below this, yeah. So we want the chart to go below this. And then we put stop loss here on this wick. So yeah. Let's see. Let's see, and this one will be ready next. Probably. So 4 hour, yeah. Like I said, will probably drop now. I hope. But yeah. If not, it's not. Stop loss is stop loss, so don't worry about it. It happens. It's supposed to happen because that's how the strategy works. So, yeah. This is nice wick back. This is what you really want to see, right? I mean, it can go in higher, so that's why we put 8 pip stop loss, because if it wants to touch its 4 hours, let him touch its 4 hours. So yeah. My trade activated, so if someone didn't, great, but mine was activated, so I'm in this trade, so that's why we manage it. So yeah, I want to see here nice rejection, so if the 5 minutes can give me like doji, I'm happy with that. Yeah. And now we wait. Now we wait. Just take care here. So Yeah, 8 people stop loss. I have sell stop here. It was activated for me. But yeah, I think we will drop nicely. When it goes below here, we move stop loss to this week. So we manage our losses. And take profits like 20 pips or the next zone. So the only problem, yeah, this is it. So that's why we need to go below, and then we will lower our risk. So if it happens that this becomes this, we'll be stepped out here. Okay. We will see. We're just a trade, so no problems here. Honestly, doesn't look good. So this 5 minutes made higher, meaning that we had moves, pull back, and now we have this. So it means we are here in uptrend. So that will probably, we will see what will happen. But if this 5 minutes isn't gonna give us lower low, we will close the trade. So nothing to do yet, just wait. Let's see what will happen here. So we touched 4 hour. Yeah. Mhm. Great. For now, I think it's okay. I just want to see price broke this. If it's not, it's going to be stop loss. If it breaks, it won't. So simple as that. Patience, patience. Yeah, it doesn't look nice. So this one closed strongly bearish, which will probably mean that our stop loss, I mean, it did right now, it's high probability that our stop loss will be hit. So I'm thinking, yeah. Yeah. This one probably won't even hold, yeah. Okay. Hey guys, this one will probably be a loss. So I will wait because here is nothing on my book to do right now, just to wait. If it happens, yeah, I'm closed out. So closed loss. That's why it's important to have small risk, fixed risk. Not something, like sometimes this, sometimes those. You need to keep your risk, because if you don't, when you hit minus, you get bigger minus than you have a plus. So like now I had changed, as you can see, I changed my risk. That's what I was talking about. So meaning that I know that my losses now will be bigger, but also with my profits will be double. So it is all okay. One loss done. Okay, let's move on. So this one will probably close like this. If we get another break, we'll probably win. If someone was not stepped out, good for you. You can still hold, no problem. I think it will go down, just it didn't go for me. I was stepped out, so that's it. Because of the spread and everything. So the spread was 0.7 pips. So yeah, unlucky. Unlucky. Yeah, if your pending didn't trigger, you can keep it there. Just remember the stop loss, because if this one turns, it will fall down. It just wasn't. Me personally wasn't lucky. I got hit and stopped out, so maybe some of you didn't. Why would you have a buy order then? It's a sell we are selling. So yeah. In the beginning, what beginning? Yeah, but we never had buy order. Yeah, that's what was I afraid of. So you see, if someone wasn't stopped out, now we can still dunk. It's okay. You can re-entry here. You can move, make new pending order right here. I did. I'm this one. So this is another trade. So AJ, same thing, but take profit is now 18. And the entry is 15. No. Yes. Okay. She's mir. So I'm entering here on the flip where this one closed because it's still closed below. And 1 week we already had, so it should be fine. So yeah, second trade entered. And with that one, we can catch everything back and more. If someone was stopped out here, that's just unlucky. I mean, for me, it's unlucky. It just happened. So let's see if this one follow through. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Most of the time does. Yeah. So with trading is not just, just strategy, and this strategy works like that. You need to count in like the spreads, the slips, everything, and then all combined is like, yeah, 1 pip, right? It was all about 1 pip for me here. So on this trade, I was stepped up for 1 pip. But we had nice rejection, so this one turned for the sell. So I think that's still good. Had weak. Fix that. Yeah, and the lows are broken, what we waited before. So we will bring our stop loss even lower now. We'll see soon. So our stop loss will bring this to here. So 18, 2.25. But we need to wait for it to start making the move. So let's see. We may hit stop loss again. It's really rare, but looking at the volume we have right now, it could happen. Because I mean, from the way I see it, this is like really, yeah, it's shitty. Yeah. So I think it will not get better. So yeah, if this one hits stop loss the same, but I think this is enough for today. But maybe it will have. I mean, this one is still plausible, so this one could give us 20 pips. Nice range. clear range. It's prettier than this one, so let's wait. That's why I can now never cheer for your trades. That's why I don't do this. Then never go, yes, go, because then you just like, if this is the water, you just like, now you did that. So you want it to win, not seeing it what to win. So maybe before we could lower our stop loss for 1 pip, and we would have 1 pip less to lose, stuffs like that, you know. And yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can move stop loss from here to here now. So 4 pips. We have 5 pips back, so that's okay. Wait for this. This is our main concern right now. So yeah, let's wait. I hope it gives us at least 10 pips or 13 pips, so we can have nice 10 pips safe, secured. And yeah, I have 6 pips. Take profit is here. The week here. I see this. So for me, it's 18 pips. So when you see 13 pips, so like when you see 13 pips, so like 10, 11, 12, let's say 12 pips, move your stop loss 10 pips into a profit. So I will tell you when I will do it. It didn't happen yet, so no need to rush. But I will tell you when I will do it, so you can do it also. So 8 pips. If someone wants to close here because of the loss, it can, because we just gain it what we lost. 10 pips currently. If someone wants to close, it can. So you can move stop loss to break even now if you want. So stop loss can be moved to break even now. I don't usually do that, but even so, we lost. I want to see this 5 minute now to get lower. So, but here is that problem we were talking about. So let's see. Maybe we'll get more. Maybe we'll have less. We'll have break even. We will see. And GPHY is getting ready. Okay. Okay, pushing lower. Tap pips currently. Okay. So if someone wishes, it can close here, but I think that the market is so slow that I will wait for 11 pips, but honestly, I don't think we will see them because of the market is so slow. So if someone closed here on the 9 pips or 10 pips, I think that's pretty good. But we'll wait for 5-minute close because I really care only for the 8 pips, so I can have break even. So if the 5-minute closes like really back, then yeah, then I messed up, or maybe not. But I think that it will fall. We will see. Yeah, 5 seconds, 3 seconds till this 5-minute closes. Okay, making wick up. Okay, I'm putting my stop loss. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah, putting my stop loss 10 pips in profit. And I was closed out. So I closed the trade. My trade was closed on 10 pips. Okay. Like I said, we probably will continue. It's just the market is really slow and I don't like this area too much. I mean, this is the problem, but we got through nicely. So maybe I closed too fast. Yeah, definitely. There you go. There you go. Now I have like, now you can move stop loss to 10 pips. So move stop loss to 10 pips. If you have it, so now I have guaranteed 10 pips. Okay. And you can let it run for the 18 pips or get hit. Okay, so I did what? I did how many? Yeah, I mean, look at the, I didn't like it because usually it should fall like a rock. And this one was really slow, so it makes me nervous. Because I know that something is not something is not right. So that's the stuff, yeah. So like I close at 353, 35. Damn. 3531 10.2 10.2 pips, or in other words 78. I'm not angry, but I mean angry. I would love to get at least 15 pips. Like if this candle would give us 15 pips, then I would wait, no problem. But because this candle closed like with 8 pips, that gave me some chills. So that's why I wanted to close early. Yeah. Still today in profit, 0.5%. No problem. Oops. 9. So yeah, I started 5 euros. What? Okay. But I think, yeah, I think you, as you can see, I think you will hit take profit. If someone is still holding, you will probably hit take profit. Like I said, I didn't like it because it was so slow. But let's say this candle also closes below, we can have still another sell like this, but I'm more looking for this one. So I want to see this one close below. So altogether today I have like what, 12 pips. the whole picture. So here the price action is like, as you can see, pain in the ass. That's why it gave us so much problems. But altogether it was 14, not even 15 pips. So that sucks. But it is what it is, right? You need to deal with those stuffs. So that's why I closed. Okay. Okay, see, and now it's flooding, So take profit hit would be, but so first trade lost 8 pips, second trade 1 is for me 10.3 pips. Now we are waiting for the third trade, which unfortunately we didn't get yet. But it's not over, so let's wait. Let's wait. I see someone left us. So Nico left us. That's okay. Yeah. So currently on this trade, this week yeah, this week is not that bad actually. If you're looking at the pips, and let's say I'm looking only New York. Yeah, that's right, okay. That's right. So this was on the stream. This was on the stream, and this was not, and this one, so this is not, this is not, this is not, and this is not. So altogether we have 5 pips. So on the stream we got 5 pips together. If we would wait here for, look, we could wait. No, we had 0. The only thing I didn't like is the speed. So usually this is like 5 minutes and take profit. So that's why when it's not going that fast, it makes me nervous because I know something is not right. You know. So yeah, that was the meaning why we kind of rushed. And also, yeah. And 4 hour didn't close without wick. Nice. So this one is still in selling, so maybe we can get a nice close below, another sell, maybe not. Yeah, Gayama, sorry for me. The point of G is only that if this one would close here, we would be here in sell. So right now, we are in a little tough situation because this was our last range. So now we cannot trade from this to this. It's not enough space. From this to this, it's not enough space. From this to this is enough space. So yeah, we will see. But I think that AUDGPY will give us another nice trade in a minute. Yeah. So, but this and this one is okay. This range, but still we have some massive price here. So, yeah. We see this one this one looks okay. If it doesn't, but it's 10 minutes. So why don't I mean it's already in the middle of it. So 8 pips, yeah, probably not gonna happen. But it's no problem because here we have nice range. So maybe we can get another take profit, another trade here. So that's why yeah, 30 pips, maybe two more trades for the 15 pips. But this one now, this one is taken already. So yeah, 2 trades. I need to make this prettier. Oh, just this 120. Yeah. 2 trades, last 8. So now we're waiting for the new chance. So even if this one closes here, right, we don't have enough room to go. So that's why I don't like this. But here or below, look at that, 15 what do you mean by 15 man velo? 15 minutes. That's what you're asking? Yeah. So when the candle pushes through the zone and it's like 10 minutes or 8 minutes, it usually means it will continue. So that's why I don't like it. I want it like to close. So on the 8th minute, I want it to be here. So on the last minute is like here. And then we get a nice push. But this one is last. If I see this one now, it was just unlucky for me because I had 1 pip stop. So on 1 pip, I lost on 1 pip, but I would have 80%. But this is the trading, right? So it's okay. So yeah, let's wait. That's why I need to be patient. That's why. So Nico told me he hit. So did everybody profit from both trades or only one trade? I just want to know because Nico said he was not stopped out here. And now I don't know why I was. So yeah, what the hell? Probably sleep. Me too. Yeah, nice, Luca. Luca finally making money. Yeah. So this was just unlucky, huh? Fuck. So if I delete this, it would be like this and this for today, which is 1.18%. And if I would trade this with 1%, so very good. M2 stop loss. Ja, tap tut stop loss, okay. Ampak ne vem, zakaj je tako rekel. Okay. Ja, prav Niko, da njem pa ni šel, tako da ne vem. Veš kaj je lahko zamudil? Pa mi, da smo bila na hitra, pa mu ni slipnilo toliko, ko je nama. In če ti imaš zdaj 8 pipov na stop loss, pa ti slipne dol. Sprav, zdaj ni več 8, je 9, ne? Tako da tale bi bil loss, no? Pač tudi jaz po backtesti bi si tega pisal loss. Very good. That's about. And now it will close like this. We'll probably get some resistance back. Another close below, back, and then we go. This is okay. That means it's still worth to wait for another hour, at least for me. And now we have here new hourly, still no trade zone for me. Yeah. This one would be so great, right? If this one closed like here, man, this would be, I mean, perfect trade, right? 20 pips, yeah. I mean, I love when it hits take profits, you know. This is like the best feeling in the world. So, yeah. Profiš si vprašaj, tukaj misliš, ne? Ne, so, ko vzamem pipe, grem pogledat ceno vhodno na meta štirki, pa izhodno, ne? In pol vidim, koliko je tega bilo. Tako. Pač kje si šel not, pa kje je šel ven, ne? Se ti pol tam v historiji gre zgodovina računa, pa ti ceno piše, ne? No, pol pa sam tu prepišem brez komišna, pač ker komišni itak moram plačati, ne? Tako da zakaj bi ga tle zdaj računal za vsako, če na konc nema veze, ne? Na dolgi rok ga ne bo. So what I explained to Luca is, he asked, do I delete spread from my pips counter? And I said that I don't do it because I go back to history. I go for the price when it opened and and I measure. So like we opened here, right? We opened here and we closed here, right? And now you see pips, but I'm looking at the price. Okay. So let's say this trade specifically on my account was open for 94.55. So here, and it was closed 95.353. 353. So like 353. No, even lower. 35353. Yeah, here. So here is the same. I mean, a little bit different, but yeah. So this is like how I measure it and then I put it in. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, because if I would have fixed risk today, that would be great because here I also have 80 euros, right? Because then also you need to count in that AJ has a smaller pips value. So let's say it's a market calculator. Yeah. So for me, I have euro count, right? Euro count, and I trade out the GPY. You can see that pip value is 0.74. So for every pip with 0.01, I get 7 cents. Yeah. But on GBP GPY, it's like, oh, it's all the same. Nice. Huh, okay. But if I do in USD, then it's 0.78, and yeah, it's not the same always, but I guess now it is. Okay, nice. Good. It changes, Luca. It changes. Okay, so we will need to wait But this one, I think this one can be filled also today. Do you have any news right now? 16:30. This is not the one we're waiting for. Same. 30 seconds before close. So look, this is the move, right? So right now, even if it closes, we don't have enough. It's like 10 pips, okay? But for this, if this rejects too much, it means that this zone is too strong. So meaning even if we go the next candle will not go with us. So it will be a little bit pain with that in the S. So that's why you want to see that big candle. So yeah, this would be perfect if it would retrace, touch this, because this one, as you can see, like this wick, this candle doesn't have a wick. So it's possible that this will go like this, close like a little lower or something like this. We will see. I mean, we will see. But this one has a wick, so this one is better. So that's why I think this one will continue. And if this one continue, then potentially this one has a lot of weight to continue. So yeah, wow, I'm so sad now. 1 pip, man, 1 pip, and that's even the spread, and that's why I pay IC market so much, man. Yeah. But yeah, it happens. So yeah, GPY, GPY. Yeah, I will take a look. Yeah, I want now. This one is big zone, so even if it closes like here, we still have 20 pips. So that's why I like this. So just give me a nice zone, and we have nice zone, meaning I will not move. I will not be nervous. I will just let it run. Like here we had this week, we had like in 5 minutes, we had this shit. I mean, for me, this is shit. So yeah. You said should be used the. Let's try it. Let's see. Let's see. Ah. Kémas kaksel. Estimate, train based. Készítőle. Luca leze. Od tukaj do tukaj imaš 3 pipe. Nada. Od tukaj do tukaj imaš 4 pipe. Nada. Od tukaj do tukaj imaš 9 pipov. Nada. Od tukaj do tukaj imaš 15 pipov. Se pravi, pa še tam imaš malo trutla, ampak ok. Se pravi, od tukaj naprej, pa do, to pa, sorry, pa do tukaj imaš ti potential dober sell. So you cannot trade this. We cannot trade this because it's only 3 pips, and that's even if you trade this will not cover your fee, your spread. So that's why you need a range to be at least 11 or 12 pips. Okay. Check this. One seven repeat zero 2 3 repeat 1 2 3 ha ja, to pa ja, ta vmes ja. Ampak tu moraš zmeraj moraš šteti, da imaš dosti lufta, ne? Pa če ne brez veze, pač ne boš prišel. Evo tukaj, kaj smo govorili. Zdaj, we touch this, so this is okay, meaning that next candle must close below this one or anyone, so yeah. Yeah. Okay. One okay win, one not so okay loss. You see, that's why I was thinking when we had this like 5 minute, like this and this and this, like pushing up, I was thinking I should move my stop loss from 8 to 7 right here. And I would say 1 pip. Okay, that for me is 1K. So I would say 1 pip, but also right now I would be 1 pip more in profit. Yeah. So that's why it's important to protect your capital, to do whatever you need to do to protect it. So I don't know, and this candle probably needs to do this week because this one doesn't have it one. So yeah. That's okay. I'm okay with this trade. This buy was okay. I didn't like that it takes so much time, but if it wouldn't, we would have 8 more pips, so we would cover the loss and get 10 pips gain. But it's okay. We'll get better. I still need to adjust to live streaming, so my decisions are a little slower or different. Yeah. 15 more minutes. So I can say for 15 minutes you're free. Do whatever you wish. Yeah. So 5th minute. I just hope it will not get too far. You know. Four minutes. Okay, 4 minutes. I'm just going to toilet, so take care. Protect the chart. Hold the fort. Hold the fort. Don't let him run. Now it's okay. So now we have big week back, yeah. So because of this big week, meaning that this one will be normal if it closes like that, meaning we're still looking again for maybe three, 4, maybe even 5 week pullback. And let's go. But yeah, so here also it seems like we can entry here. This one is the zone that is valid, yeah. But the problem here I have is because if we are choosing this zone and this zone, I think this one is prettier. So you know, always choose the prettier one, but this one is almost filled. We will see. We will see soon. 2 more minutes to go. If this one gets filled, we have GBP, not Audi GPY, and he filled it half, so there is nowhere to go now. Congrats. Yeah, this one still has room, so that's good. So yeah, but the more it's inside, the bigger wick back we want. And also here we have choppy price, meaning until here it's great. Like if it's go back like for 10 pips, this is like great, but here we can have more problems. So we will see. So here is another of those. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe it gives us money. Maybe it takes us money. Yeah, this is not valid now. This would be better. So maybe we can wait for that one. Maybe we can wait for that one, and this one we will let it out. So I bet this one is getting closer. So. Okay, let's see. 1 more minute. $50. 30 seconds. Okay, so this one doesn't look nice now because it retraced. So no, not a good way to go. On the other hand, LDGPY, this was great. So let's go. Let's take another win. Close, week back, pending order. I'll tell you when I place pending order. And let's roll this. On this one, I would take only 10 pips. Take profit. So week back, wait for a week back. No week back, no entry. No week back, no entry. That's right. Week back. Okay. Week back, getting there. Yeah, 2 pips. Placing order now. So placing pending order. Okay. Let's hope this one doesn't get it's again. That's it. Okay. So also the same one here that so that's the great stuff because we don't have entry here. So maybe we'll get lower one. So yeah, this week should not be bigger than 14 pips. So that's the rule. But the rest it's okay. So pending order only. You can try now to put in like how to say it, put in stop losses, take profits, stuff like that. Like I have this. Okay. So maybe. So here's the thing: if this one goes over this for like 2 pips, we'll probably not have a sell. It shouldn't go over the body. What's that? Wait, let's wait. First for 5 minutes to close. But now we have full stop loss, so that's, I don't like that pretty much. Not much, at least. Yeah. Not much. So stop loss should be 11 pips, but we have nice closure here, so we have closure below those peaks. Meaning we would, yeah, damn it. Okay, we will see. Let's wait. Let's wait for this 5 minutes to close, but I think that, not this one, sorry. So I think that this one pending should be deleted. Let's delete it. Maybe we put it back, but for now, delete it. Okay. And let's wait for 5 minutes how it will close. If you see rejection in 5 minutes, we can place it back. Yeah, this is the rejection I'm talking about. So. Okay, let's see if this one closes fully. So with little wick, that means that we need to delete it. We are not taking this sell. If not, we still have a lot of chances. Yeah. $50 more seconds to see if we delete this or not. Yeah, I think we can put it back to get back, so pending can go back here. Sorry guys for you so you have to delete everything, but I just want to protect you and your and my capital. Sorry if it's a little bit annoying. So yeah, pending is now on. Okay. On place. Pending. Okay. 5th minute rejected. That's great. Now we will see. So our stop loss is valid. Let's go. Let's see. Just remember that here we have like weeks, right? So on 10 pips, we will need to be careful again. So we went from very good range to not so good anymore. So yeah, we need to be careful. We will need to be careful. Yeah, I think we will have activation of order soon. Yeah, entry on trading view and entry on my broker too. Okay, good. It looks okay. Let's hope it's continuing to fall. My take profit for now is at the bottom here, but I don't know. We will see what happens. So what I want now is for this one to go over this low, but if it turns, it turns. So we are in lost. This is pretty much all we can do. So take profit is like 20 times 5. No. Hope it's 6 pips for me right now. I hope it doesn't flips, because if it does, yeah, god damn it, what unlucky day. What unlucky day. Okay, lost. Oh, two times now. What could I do better? It should be, even if it puts the entry here, we would get back. But yeah, maybe I could watch for this rejection here. Yeah, now it will drop. God damn it. Yeah, it happens. Just unlucky. Let's see. Our trades here. And we can get one recovery trade. But this is the thing, right? If you get like, we would bank here 18 pips, we would still be at plus today, right? So right now we are minus 6 pips. But I will call this unlucky because the range wasn't clear. That's true, but that's all that was. So this one was unlucky. This one, even if it wasn't unlucky, yeah, this one was the least unlucky. Now the same. So like 6 pip. Yeah, 8.5 pips. Yep. Okay, nothing for now. Maybe if this one closes here below, we'll see. Stop loss 8 pips. But so the Velo typed stop loss 8 pips, bite, market make pips. So you're thinking the market maker pushed us out of this trade? No, it didn't. It didn't. But I think it's gonna happen the same stuff as here. This week back, so we will have another entry. That's not big deal. For trades, yeah, this one is filled already. Okay, let's see. Two more minutes. Maybe we'll get another. Not revenge trade, but refund trade. Okay, let's see. If this one closes here, I like this one. If it doesn't, then this one is the way to go. So we'll see. This one looks great. This one looks great. Yeah, I will go with this one. GPU, this one. So I'm looking for some week back. No week back yet. Okay, but here we have week. Okay, let's go on AOTGPY. I ordered pending here. So another pending order. And let's see. Also, if you want, you can point another, put one pending order here. This was not really good break, was it? Okay. See. So 2 pending orders on GB, GPY, AUD, GPY. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what will happen. Yeah. Ah, damn it, I got my activated. Don't know how, but it got. So LDGPY is not the way to go. Did you get activated on the LDGPY? If someone did, probably in minus. That's not good. Not good at all. 30 pips. $13 pips. GPY, yeah. So I got stopped out. So if you did too, that's okay. Shit happens. But then I was a little too fast. Yes. 8. So, oh, another loss. It's 50. Damn. Now we got it. Now we got it. Yeah, this one is not valid. This one is not valid. I mean, it could be, but right now I don't believe it's better. Yeah, I know what's this one. Okay. Okay, 15 is like GJ. Oops, what? So this one got activated. So the same template, so the same 20 pip target, 8 pip stop loss. So yeah, probably this will be the last trade for me today, because I see that I'm doing some stuff maybe too stupid. That's okay. So that's why the trading is 99% psychology than anything else. Because even if you know the strategy to its core, yeah, it's gonna be another stop loss. So this one is gonna be, this will probably get stopped out. I'm 60% sure. Okay, that's no, I'm not out yet, but I think it will happen. If it will not happen, I will not move anything to break even. I will just let, yeah, it happened. So wow, that hurt. And right now when I switch to bigger, yes, okay. So, yeah. Another 8 pips lost, would be 20. This would be worth it. Loss. It's a loss. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is it for today. Yeah. Okay. So it slipped. Stop loss. That's perfect. Oh yeah, minus 1.5%. 1.5%. Okay. Okay. No minus, lol, no minus. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is it. This is end for today. Thank you for your time. We were a little bit unlucky, and now it will, yeah, of course it will. Now it will go another way. It happens. It happens, guys. It happens. So good luck. Have a great day. And see you again tomorrow to make this back and even more. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.